I recently rebuilt this computer so it can support Windows 11. Unfortunately, the motherboard I put in does not support the CD-ROM drive, DVD-ROM drive that I have, so I had to get another one. So online I purchased this one, which looks very much the same as the second one they sent me. This one was not recognized at all by the computer. They look very similar. This is the second one, so this one has an extra bit on here and it has a part number as well. Otherwise the boxes look very similar. So let's plug this one into this USB 2 port, see what happens. Okay, it says USB not recognized. Then when I look over here, this is settings, devices. Other devices failed. Okay, so that's not good. This does have power to it, so I can push the button and it will eject, but that's all it will do. So for the USB 3 connection, I have to go into the back of the computer. It's this one right here. It's plugged in. Again, it will eject, but that's all it will do. It doesn't even show up in the devices, and it doesn't show up in Windows Explorer either. Alright, moving on to the new one they've just sent me, the second one. You can tell it's the second one because it has this different cable. Otherwise it looks very much the same from the outside. So I'm going to plug it into the USB 2 and see what happens. It's in. It's got power. It keeps starting up and shutting down. It says there's an external device and then it disappears, it comes back, it disappears. It doesn't seem to be able to cope with USB 2. And you can hear by the tone it's starting and stopping. So now I have it again plugged into the USB 3 port down here. USB 3, and now it works. It's on there, and when I call up Windows Explorer, it's fine. I've put music CDs in, for example this one, and it's able to do that. It can read it. That's what I've tested so far. So when I'm in settings, I can go to devices and printers, and here is the device. So it's definitely in there.